Hi, I'm a semicolon. But if you don't know me, that's okay. A lot of people don't.
A what?
A semicolon.
No.
No, never heard of it.
I can't think of it.
That's fine. That's totally fine. I'm a punctuation mark, and I actually go back a long way. I was born in Venice in 1494, a time when writers were very experimental, like this guy, Aldus Manutius.
These thoughts I have written down are similar, but need to be separated. A comma. No, too casual. A full stop. No, too final. I've got it.
And just like that, or well, something like that, Aldus combined two of your favourite punctuation marks to create me, the semicolon. Semicolons link independent clauses. They create a pause stronger than a comma but weaker than a full stop. Eventually, I made my way into the English language, and a lot of people loved me and the way I could create complex sentences with many ideas.
Mr. Bennet was so odd a mixture of quick parts, sarcastic humour, reserve and caprice, semicolon, that the experience of 3 and 20 years had been insufficient to make his wife understand his character, semicolon.
But not everyone was such a fan as Jane Austen there. Some authors preferred their sentences simple and direct. Others downright hated me.
Here is the last news bulletin for today.
Then there was radio and television.
Now then, you lost what?
My doggy that plays music.
The language that was used became more informal and more accessible because TV was for everybody.
I mean, I get it. Language changes, right? And sometimes some of us get left behind. And it's not just me. My friend Pilgro here, he used to mark the beginning of paragraphs, but now they're hardly seen. And oh my gosh, interrobang! Oh, they were a combination of a question mark and an exclamation point. But I guess we don't need them anymore either. And now, some say I'm on my way out too. A recent study found I appear in books 50% less often than I did just 20 years ago. And get this, 1 in 2 students in Britain say they don't even know how I work. Some say it's because of texts and emails, which are casual and quick. But not everyone's ready to give up on us. Some people think punctuation marks, like me, are really important.
I am one of those people who loves language. I'm a language pedant. I will use a semicolon. And in a world that's shying away from them, I still know how to use them. So I'm going to just use them because I like them.
It makes your story flow better and it can give you better marks, I guess, because teachers always love that stuff.
I think punctuation definitely needs to get more uptight and people need to stop caring more about it.
I'll leave you with this. You know me now. You know what I can do. And if you ever have 2 related thoughts that you want to join together in a sophisticated way, well, you know where to find me.